Let's get into the details. During the Parliament's winter session, tensions rose after the passage of the VBG Ramji bill, prompting a strong reaction from opposition MPs. Soon after the bill cleared the House, several members gathered at Makar Gate to register their protest, alleging that the legislation had been pushed through without adequate debate or consideration of their concerns. The demonstration highlighted the widening rift between the government and the opposition over the bill's implications and the manner in which it was passed. MPs participating in the protest said they wanted to draw public attention to what they described as procedural lapses and the need for greater transparency in parliamentary decision-making.
Autocracy!